Introduction. Parents and students. A new partnership model. How to navigate this journey together. What you will get from this book. Why career decisions feel confusing even for capable students. How parents and students can work as partners, not opposites. A practical way to think about careers, not just choose one. What actually matters in the real world beyond marks and degrees. How to build skills, adaptability, and long-term direction. I have spent the last several years sitting across Indian families, in my Hyderabad counseling room, on Zoom calls, and through many conversations on the India Career Center podcast. The scene repeats itself with quiet predictability. A class 10 or 12 student, sometimes even undergraduate or early postgraduate, sits with shoulders slightly hunched, eyes moving between me and their parents. The parents lean forward, voices calm but carrying unmistakable urgency. Everyone wants the same thing, a decision that feels safe, meaningful, and secure for the future. Yet almost no one in the room feels fully equipped to make it. The student is overwhelmed. There are too many options. There is entrance exam pressure. There is constant peer comparison on social media. And there is the growing fear of choosing wrong. The parents carry their own lived experience. A world where a good degree reliably led to a stable job. Where careers followed more predictable paths. Now they are watching a very different reality unfold. Artificial intelligence is reshaping entry-level work. Gig and contract roles are expanding rapidly. Formal salaried jobs may see little or no net growth after 2030. Both sides are thoughtful. Both care deeply. Both are working from incomplete maps. This book exists to build a bridge across that gap. Why the old model no longer works. For decades, the partnership between parents and students followed a clear structure. Parents guided, often strongly. Students executed. In many cases, it worked because the world rewarded standardization. A single degree could carry someone through 40 years. Careers were mostly linear. Stability felt attainable through hard work within known paths. That world has changed faster than most family advice has kept up. Today, the number of viable paths has multiplied. The half-life of skills is shrinking. Predictability has eroded. Artificial intelligence, remote work, global platforms, and the gig economy are rewriting what entries and securities mean. The old model, heavy parental direction and one-time final decisions, is no longer sufficient. What is needed is not less involvement. It is a different kind of involvement. A new partnership model. A true partnership looks like this. Parents bring perspective, what the world rewarded in their time. They bring emotional stability, a safe place to fail and learn. They bring financial realism, an understanding of costs and trade-offs. And they bring a long-term belief in their child's ability to adapt. Students bring curiosity. They bring a willingness to experiment. They take ownership of reflection and course correction. And they bring the energy to build skills in real time. Both commit to ongoing, honest conversation. Not one decisive meeting where everything is settled, but regular dialogue that evolves as new information emerges. This is not parents stepping back into passivity. It is not students being left alone. It is a shift. From control to collaboration. From instruction to conversation. From pressure to partnership. How the student feels. For students, roughly between 15 and 19 years old, the timing could not be more challenging. You are wired to seek certainty and belonging, yet you are asked to embrace ambiguity at exactly the moment when society treats every choice as make or break. The stream after 10th. The college or branch after 12th. Entrance ranks. Early internships. Comparison is relentless. School and board results. Social media stories. Comments from relatives. Uncertainty quickly begins to feel like personal failure. For parents, the weight is different but equally real. You have invested years of savings, emotion, and sacrifice to give your child a better opportunity than you had. And the fear is very real. What if they choose wrong and struggle for decades? What if opportunities shrink? What if we cannot support repeated changes in direction? These are not abstract concerns. They are deeply felt in a world where headlines constantly speak of disruption, volatility, and change. Both generations are right to feel the gravity. Both are navigating with yesterday's assumptions in tomorrow's reality. What this book is and isn't. This is not a formula that tells you which career to pick. It is not a rejection of traditional paths like engineering, medicine, civil services, chartered accountancy, commerce, or the humanities. These paths continue to lead to meaningful and successful lives when chosen with alignment. It is not motivational language that ignores economic realities. This is a practical, realistic companion for the transition ahead. It is built from real counseling conversations, real stories, and real data. Each chapter adds one layer. It helps you understand why the system prepares you for exams but not for ambiguity. Why safe career myths form and persist. Why self-understanding matters more than endless option hunting. How to choose a thoughtful direction, not a perfect one. Why what you do after choosing matters more than the choice itself. Why skills increasingly matter more than degrees. And why the future may look like a mix of roles, projects, and evolving opportunities. A simple agreement before we begin. If you are a parent, be open to the possibility that the world your child is entering is meaningfully different from the one you experienced. If you are a student, be open to the fact that your parents' concerns come from care and experience, not control. That small shift in openness can change everything. The real goal of this book is not to help you choose one career. It is to help you learn how to think about careers so that no single decision ever feels final. Your future will not be shaped by one choice. It will be shaped by how you think, how you act, and how you adapt over time. Pause and reflect. Before you move ahead, take a moment. What is worrying you the most about career decisions right now? Are you trying to find the right answer, or are you trying to understand the problem better? Are conversations at home creating clarity, or creating pressure? Key takeaways. This is not just a student problem. It is a shared challenge. The world has changed faster than our decision-making models. There is no single perfect career choice anymore. What matters is learning how to think, how to decide, and how to adapt. What you can do now: have one honest conversation without trying to finalize anything. Write down your biggest confusion instead of ignoring it. Commit to exploring, not rushing your decision. Let us begin. I encourage you to now head over to your online shopping app to buy the book in either paperback, hardcover, or in the Kindle version. It is available on India Career Center, Amazon, Flipkart, and Notion Press website. Happy reading! And wish you a happy and successful professional career ahead.